When you spend $10 billion on a space telescope, you have to justify it. It's also something of a tradition for astronomers to celebrate the start of science operations on a new telescope with a selection of images to showcase exactly what it can do. That's exactly what NASA will do when the James Webb Space Telescope, or Webb, for short, is ready for science. We are planning a series of wow images to be released at the end of commissioning when we start normal science operations that are designed to showcase what this telescope can do, said. They will showcase all 4 science instruments and they will really knock everybody's socks off. The plan is to release images at one time and not as they're taken. That could mean that the world will have to wait a while because a lot of testing needs to be done in the wake of Webb being fully deployed last weekend. So when will we see Webb's wow images? My best guess is the last week of May 2022. By then NASA will have aligned the 18 hexagonal of Webb's 21 feet / 6.5 meter mirror and collimated it using a few bright stars. Webb is up there to look for cosmic dome of first stars, study black holes and examine exoplanet atmospheres, but the initial batch of images are likely just to be drop-dead gorgeous space images for general consumption. So expect to see a few Hubble versus Webb images that show off exactly what the new infrared space telescope is for as compared to the old ultraviolet / visible space telescope. Just as interesting will be the Spitzer versus Webb images that compare the original infrared space telescope to its successor, though it's also likely that we'll see Webb's images in combination with those 2 telescopes and those from the Chandra X-ray Observatory. Either way, this is what we can expect to be in the running for Webb's initial wow images if NASA wants to starkly show just what Webb is capable of. Then what better target than the so-called pillars of creation, an iconic shot taken in various wavelengths of light by Hubble.